Hi everyone, myself Dr. Tashir Ali Sheikh. So here in this video series, I am coming with this very important contents that will be very important for APSC and other allied examination that is conducted by APSC and Assam government. So I hope you people will be gain knowledge from my videos and will be continuously follow my videos. So this is the disclaimer of my video, and this is my YouTube channel Dr. Tashir Ali Sheikh. Please go through the playlist to know better about the videos in my channel. So contents that I will be cover in my videos in upcoming videos. First thing is Assam history. I'll try to cover some important questions on Assam history. Then literacy. Then I'll cover sports. Then science and technology. Then current affairs. Then award and first in Assam. So this thing I'll try to cover in my upcoming videos. So hopefully one by one I'll post it my videos in my channels. So try to follow my videos continuously and subscribe my video channels to get more new update how new videos will become. So first I will cover today about some topics in my this is my first video. So series video I'll update it time to time, and hope you people will be continuously follow my videos. Okay, first thing I'll cover the Assam history. So Assam history, first question is capital of Assam. Capital of Assam is it's in Dispur. Then in which year the capital of Assam is shifted from Shillong to Dispur? It is 1973. The capital of Assam is shifted from Shillong to Dispur in the year 1973. Then when did the British annex Assam? It is in the year 1826. The Battle of Saraighat was took place in the year 1671 to 1682 and defeat the Mughals at Itakuli in Guwahati. Next question is when Assam region was separated from the Bengal presidency. It is separated in the year 1874 from the Bengal presidency. Assam Company was formed in the year of 1839. When oil was discovered at Digboi, it is in the year 1889. When Assam Association was formed with Manik Chandra Borua as the first secretary, it is 1903. In the year 1903, the Assam Association was formed with the Manik Chandra Borua's first secretaryship. Then next question, the Swadeshi movement period from dash 2. The Swadeshi movement period was from 1905 to 1908. In which year Assam flowed into the Assam agitation or Assam movement, a popular movement against illegal migration? It is 1979. When Nile Massisi were taking place, it is 1985. Which is the highest point in Assam? It is Changhi Singhon. Which one is the highest peak in Assam? It is Laiki Peak. Which state was separated from Assam in 1963? It is Nagaland. When was Mizoram separated from Assam? It is 1972. Assam was formerly known as Kamrupa. At Assam, in addition to Assamese, which other language from the state is included in 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? It is Bodo. Gobind Wildlife Sanctuary is located at Jorhat. Which city is also known as the cultural capital of Assam? It is Jorhat. Which town is also known as the Manchester of Assam? It is Shwalkuchi. The Brahmaputra Kekar and Polymer Limited industry is located at Lepetkata. Guwahati University was established in the year 1948. Cotton College was established in the year 1901. In which year Gopinath Bordoloi was arrested for taking part in the freedom movement? It is 1922. Which wildlife sanctuary of Assam boasts of golden langur? It is an Chakrashila. Burasapuri Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in which locations of Assam? It is in Shonitpur. The area of Kaziranga National Park is approximately 430 square kilometer. About 91% of world population of a particular animal species found in Kaziranga National Park in which one of the following? It is pygmy hawk. Of the production of muga, the golden silk in the world, Assam produces 99%. In which of the following national park or wildlife sanctuaries the density of rhino population is highest? It is Pobitora. Which day will be observed as Rhino Day in Assam? 22 September. The highest concentration of forest in the state of Assam occurs in Karbi Anglong district. That is, the highest concentration of forest in the state of Assam occurs in Karbi Anglong district. Pani Dihing Bird Sanctuary is located in which one of the following districts? It is Shivsagar. Who was the first martyrs of 1942 revolution in Assam? It is Kanaklata Borua. In 1826, the Treaty of Yandabo signed between East India Company and which Ahom king? It is King of Burma. How many districts of Assam? Currently there are 34 districts in Assam, including Bozali district. Largest district of Assam, it is Karbi Anglong. The area approximately 10,434 square kilometer. Smallest district of Assam is South Salmara Mankachar. The area of this district is 568 square kilometer. Which year Srimanta Shankar Dev was born? It is 1449. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika started his career as a teacher from which universities? It is from Guwahati University. Thank you for watching this video. Videography and editing done by me. That is, please subscribe and like this video. Press the bell icon to get notification whenever the new videos is posted. So in our upcoming video we will try to cover more questions. So one by one I'll try to upload the videos. Try to follow it. Hope you people will be enjoy this video, and I will be share among your friends, and try to subscribe my channel. I'll try to cover all these contents based of my knowledge with you for its upcoming APSC exam and other allied exam that is conducted by the APSC and Assam government. Thank you for watching my video.